Okay, so here we're finding the slant height, and essentially all we need to do is we need to make a right triangle and use the Pythagorean theorem. So let me make a sketch here. Let's do this. We've got this slant height, which we don't know. We've also got this length right here from the center to the edge, and then of course we've got the height that they give us here. What I'm going to do is recreate that over here by saying, okay, we've got that length here, we've got that length here, and we got this length here. Yeah? And when we do that, we're forming a right angle there. We're forming a right angle there. And what do we know? We know that this is 5. We know that half of the entire side, if this whole side is 9, then this pink half length is 4.5. And of course, we're looking for x. So we can then set that up as a problem. We can say 5 squared plus 4.5 squared equals x squared. Or another way to write that would be x is equal to the square root of 5 squared plus 4.5 squared. And then I can just type that into the calculator, and let's see what we get. X is equal to square root of 5 squared plus 4.5 squared is 6.72 something something something. So let's put this as approximately equal to, and 6.72, 6812, blah, blah, blah. And we're rounding to the nearest tenth. So how do you do that? You say, what's in the tenths place? That's 7. What's right after it in the hundreds place? A 2. Is it 5 or higher? No, it's not. So that 7 does not change. So we get then x being approximately equal to 6.7 millimeters. And do we see that as an answer? We do. Answer A.